G'day folks, Jarrod from Tentworld here. Today I'm just introducing you to a new range from KT Solar. New to Tentworld anyway. And these ones, we reckon they're quite a fantastic solar panel and we believe that you'll enjoy them as well. So today I'm going to run you through the different features that it's got and also show you a little bit further of how to run it on a battery as well. And we're going to be looking at the Dometic RAPS 44 or connecting it up to that battery anyway. So the KT 300 solar blanket, this is the size that it packs down into. So it's 39 centimeters wide, 39 centimeters in length there. So a square sort of a shape. And then the depth of it is 14 centimeters. And then the packed weight as well is 8.85 kilograms. So you just undo that, flip that down, and then you pull it back and unroll just like this. And there you have it. So KT has designed this blanket very well. So each of these panels, there's 15 in total, 5 in the length, 3 in the width. So each of these panels is monocrystalline, so high quality, but it's also set in a silicon base. And so whilst they're slightly flexible and very durable, naturally, you wouldn't want to be too rough with them. As with any gear, you take care of it, it'll take care of you. Another important feature that KT have put on this blanket is some tie downs. And so with these tie downs and with that vertical aspect to it, that makes this solar panel incredibly versatile. You want to make sure you get the orientation right for the sunlight. You can put it realistically anywhere, provided it's nice and secure and within a northerly orientation so it's looking at the sunlight. This panel is also available in a more compact 200 watt size, and for the purpose of this video we'll be testing out the 200 watt model. Alright, so we're nice and close to the front of this panel at the moment. So at the front of this panel you'll notice this flap here, just keep that aside when you're using it. But just underneath this main panel you'll find the accessories in that front pocket. So we're going to open that up just so that you can see what's inside. Naturally the Velcro is a little tight, but with use over time that will loosen up as well. But what's included there, first thing we're going to pull out is this 5-meter extension lead. Anderson cable on one end. That connects straight into the output of this solar blanket. The other end of that cable is another Anderson. It includes another Anderson and can go to alligator clips. We're going to use these alligator clips today. And with that as well, there's also a 20 amp inline fuse here, just for battery security and safety as well. Along with that, we've also got the regulator. So the regulator, as you can see here, that's the brains of the business. It's the important thing. So any solar panel that's worth its money is going to include a regulator of some regard. Now this regulator includes 5 different charging methods, and it can also charge many different types of batteries. I'll explain those a little further in detail as well. And so with that accord, we're going to look into wiring this up and we'll go from there. So we're going to connect this up now just to show you one of the ways you can do it. Of course you can do it many other ways as well depending on your needs. And so just folding this back again, inside here you reach down into that front pocket, you'll find the Anderson outlet. So I'm going to connect that straight into the regulator here. Keep in mind, this regulator is also waterproof. It's got an IP67 rating, so that helps it with its versatility as well, of course, and it's also its weatherability. So this end, this solar panel, that end goes in there, nice and simple. And this is one of the different ways you can set it up. You can probably forego the extension lead if you need. To select the battery type, you need to press the battery type button and hold it in for 3 seconds. And this enters into the battery type selection mode. The default battery choice is AGM, and so if you have an alternate battery, ensure that you check the battery type on this controller before you begin charging your battery. If the incorrect battery type is selected, it could cause damage to your battery. So when running, you can see the charging status of the LCD display. You can also double check the amp and volt ratings by pressing the amp volt button. For each of the different batteries, there's multiple different charging, stages. So good battery chargers, so the 240 volt ones, those will have different charging stages for the batteries, so as to help protect them and improve the longevity of them. This regulator does the same thing, and so it includes 5 different battery stages. Some of the different batteries will use only 4 of them, some will use all 5. It depends on the battery. So the battery choice that you make and the battery type is very important, as it will change the way that this functions and the way that it also charges up your battery. So there's a lot of different technical information that you can find, and I'm not going to go into the details here. You can find all that on our website and in the owner's manual as well. But from here, looking at this product here at Tentworld, we're incredibly happy to have it as part of our range, and we're very excited to release it to you as well. And so you'll be able to find these on our website and also in store as well. If you've got any questions, feel free to give us a bell, get in contact with us. We're more than happy to answer anything we can. But from here and from the team at Tentworld, thanks again and happy camping.